Hey everyone, this is Gulshan and I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to discuss about Notion AI. Notion AI recently announced that now Notion AI can read handwritten notes. If you have used Notion AI earlier it couldn't read handwritten notes. It could only um, generate databases, find summaries, generate content, etc. Right? So uh, it just couldn't read handwritten notes. But now they've recently announced that it can read handwritten notes now, and today I'm going to test that. Uh, so I'll be analyzing three pictures. One will be a very simple handwritten notes, but the real test is can it read a doctor's prescription? It's very difficult to read a doctor's prescription. Even we can't read doctor's prescription because the handwritten is so bad. But so that is the real test, and I'm going to be testing three pictures, including a doctor's prescription, and let's see whether it can analyze what's in the prescription or not. So let's jump right in. Yeah. All right. So I'm on Innotion page, and one of the pictures that I've uploaded is my daily diary, and then advancement to my cook, and then my prescription. So let's analyze the picture one by one. The first option, what you can do is you can just click the Notion icon here, and just let me create a new chat here. All right. So the first option is you can just click the icon here and you can upload the file from here, and then you can ask what's in the picture. Or the second option is you can just hover over the image, and as you can see the option here, ask AI. So in this case, I don't have to upload the file separately. So I'm gonna be doing just this. I'm just hovering over the image and just I'll ask the Notion AI. Right. So let's first ask the first picture. Uh, as you can see, it's uploaded automatically, and just I'll ask the Notion AI what's in the picture. Can you tell me what's in the picture? All right, so it's generating, and let's see what results it gives. All right, so okay, the image shows a really skeleton in blue ink. Wow, it can actually analyze the blue ink, right? That is very surprising for me. Okay, so 10 a.m., 11 a.m. I think it has gotten pretty much everything right. You can match, as you can see. Uh, it has gotten everything right. All right, that is pretty good actually. Okay, let's go to second image and let's analyze the second image. Let's do this, and let's ask this again. Can you tell me what's in the image? Okay, it's generating, and let's see what result it gives for this image. Okay, all right, so looks like this time also it has gotten everything right. As you can see, these are the amounts given at different occasions. The total is 795 rupees. Yeah, that is correct. uh, November 22 till 7th till 16th November. What is this? Total deduction 7,500. The remaining balance is, wow. The calculation is pretty good actually. The final note dated November 16 showing advance of himself. Yes, that is correct. Okay, here it has gotten wrong actually. So you can see November 2022 till 4th it's written here, but it's actually till 16th of November. So this is wrong. I think there's some handwriting mistake, and that is, I think, it couldn't read. But I think pretty much everything was fine. All right, so let's go to third image. Let's close this. Let's go to third image and let's see what result it gives for this image. Ask AI. Can you tell me what's in the picture? Okay, let's see what result it gives for this prescription, because the doctor's prescription is hardest to read. Even we can't read it properly, and as you can see the handwriting is pretty bad. It's for every doctors. Okay, multi-specialty clinic, it gives yeah, name is correct. Cold and cough condition present 2 days. No, it's actually 8 days. The prescription includes various medication that was it, the treatment. Mm, it is not giving the accurate information. Let me ask it again. uh, the indication Things are not mentioned. Can you give me more details about it? Okay, so I've asked about the medicine. Let's see whether it can read the medicines or not. No, actually, it's wrong. Actually, the medicines are not accurate. The first one is correct. The second one is also correct. The third one is not correct. Fourth one is correct. Fifth one is also correct, and it has also gotten the doses right. Yes, 3 to 5 days. Okay, so the third medicine it has gotten wrong, I think. So I have a mixed feeling about it. I think Notion AI can read handwritten notes, but it's not 100% accurate. But what it can do is actually pretty amazing. You know, it is actually reading the handwritten notes pretty well. Wherever the handwriting is not very clear, there it's getting wrong. But I think overall it's pretty much good. But I think Notion will work on it, and uh, it can improve definitely. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, and I'll be using this feature more in the coming days, and I'll keep updating you about this. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.